Hello students, welcome back to our class. We are studying about interspecific interactions. So interspecific interactions are the interactions between different species. I said they may be beneficial, detrimental or neutral. So these interactions are categorized into 6 types. We'll see what are these 6 types of interspecific interactions. See here, the first one is the mutualism. It is mutualism. So, in mutualism, what happens is species A is benefited, that is positive. Here we have indicated with positive sign. So, species A is benefited and species B is also benefited. So, both the species are benefited. Interacting species which are interacting here, both of them are benefited. So, that is called as mutualism. And second one is competition. So, in competition, when we see the species A and species B, that is the two interacting species, the interaction is, what is the sign here? It is negative sign, means it is detrimental. It is detrimental to species A and also to species B. So, in competition, species A and species B, for both of them, it is detrimental or harmful. And next one is predation. The next interaction is predation. So in predation, we see one species is benefited and for another one, the interaction is detrimental. For one species, it is beneficial and for another species, it is detrimental. And next one is parasitism. The next one is parasitism, where we can see one species gets benefit because of the interaction and for another species the interaction is harmful or detrimental. So for one species it is beneficial and for another species it is harmful in parasitism. And when we see commensalism, so in commensalism, if two species are interacting, A and B species, for one it is beneficial and for another there is no effect or neutral effect. So one species is getting benefit and there is no effect on the other species. Such type of interaction is called as commensalism. And next one is opposite to this, that is amensalism. Amensalism. So in amensalism, for one species the interaction is harmful and for another species there is no effect or neutral effect is there. For one species the interaction is detrimental, for another species there is no effect or neutral effect. So like this we can categorize interspecific interactions into 6 types. What are the 6 types? Mutualism, competition, predation, parasitism, commensalism and amensalism. So here we can see some organisms are getting benefit and some are having bad effects or harmful effects on them, and for some interactions are neutral, there is no effect at all. So like this we can study the interactions. We'll see one by one the interspecific interactions in the coming videos.